This video is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
Recently, we had a comment from one of our viewers in regards to an air change interval video that we did. And the point that he brought up, which is valid, is that a filter is its most efficient when it has been out in the field for a while and the media has been coated with particulates, dust, and other debris. Efficiency means that it's able to filter out very, very small particles. But that comes at the cost of capacity. As those particulates and debris have deposited themselves on the filter media, yes, they almost act as a secondary filter. But the filter can only hold so much of that, and that means capacity. Once the maximum capacity is reached, the filter becomes blocked, and not even air can get through. Yes, this is a valid thing with efficiency on some larger filters, let's say for a 16-wheeler, but for smaller automotive filters that have a limited amount of capacity and filter media surface area, it doesn't really work. Why? Well, think about our intervals. We're talking a 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 mile oil change. That peak efficiency window is very narrow until it runs into its maximum capacity. So you always want to stick to the manufacturer's recommended air filter change interval. This will help avoid a filter becoming clogged between oil change intervals. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.